What's going on, guys? 307 here. Joseph, I got your 2x4 fixed. Added a ground braid going down to the board. This one just grounds the cabinet as the way they had it. Changed a little bit of stuff inside, got it working. 5-watt slug in reverse. We're running at 14.5. Cobra 29. Show you pass-through tune. Audio. Doesn't move. I'll show you what we're putting in for drive. Dead key in a watt. Audio test. Audio. About 45. 45 peak and 7 average. Turn your box on. Input tune. Audio. About 1/8 of a watt. Show you output. Audio test. Audio 1 2. Audio 1 2. So right at 1,000. Probably turn the mic gain up a little bit. Audio test 1 2 1 2. Right around 1,000, and let's see. Red is the RMS. Audio right at 500 RMS. Alrighty, sir. Thanks. Appreciate the business. I'll get her boxed up.